your everyday detailer.
All right, man. It's been a little minute, gang, but your boy is back with a video, man. We're gonna keep it rolling for a little second, man. I had to let some things progress with the channel, man. Focus on my editing for a little minute, guys, so I can bring y'all some better channeling. I ordered some new equipment, man. The channel is about to go up, so y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. Today I'm in a Volkswagen Tiguan. I'm going to be dropping it off at Volvo, one of our valued customers here at Enterprise, man. Show y'all the road, so that I don't neglect you guys. As y'all know, we out here in North Carolina, man. Beautiful weather, you know, it's always nice outside. I go a Bronco right there. It was zooming by pretty fast, so you probably couldn't see it too much. Your boy in the cut, man, and we back. You know how I like to do it, man. Let's get to it. So, man, we got some cars coming back through later. I'm not sure what's gonna come through the threshold today. Me and my boy just cleaned this guy. Huge sunroof, man. Absolutely beautiful sunroof, man. Yeah, let's get to this money, man. We got a guy out here on the bicycle. Get off that bicycle in that room, boy. Get some other stuff over here on the, my left side, man. Audi right there. But yeah, I'm gonna get to y'all when I get to the Volvo, man. They always got some nice cars out there. Let's see what they got out there at the Volvo spot, man. Gang, checking out the Volvo. Put your boy in that Tacoma, man. Big boy. It's brand new. Smoking hot, something beaming in this thing, man. You know we in that 2021. It's still clean. I don't think it's got 4,000 miles on it. Come on, guys, it's brand new, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, it lifted the tire up when I hit the gas in this big thing. But yes, sir, though. So what we got out here in traffic, man. We out here driving today. We in traffic today, man. Silverado. Sure. The views. Try some driving action. Y'all hear that shit? It's got a little creep power now. Don't sleep. Ain't the best truck, but don't sleep. And it's got a sport mode in this thing. But man, guys, I just want y'all to stay motivated, man. Do everything in your power to chase your dreams. Never give up, man, and make these people respect you out here, bro. Grow, 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 grow. Never stop growing. Don't ever tell yourself that you can't get it, because you can, man, and you will. I promise you. Back to the video. Got a Titan right there. We in that sport mode. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. It's not a race car or nothing like that. It's, you know, it's just not really like a monster. He took a look. Maxed out at 85, y'all. I guess we just gonna have to live with that. And this big thing on the straightaway, man, it's as fast as it's gonna get you, man. But I mean, as far as strength and stability, definitely solid. I didn't feel like I was shaking or nothing. Power there, it's just not quick. But yeah, man, driving footage. Gang, 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 gang. What's good, man? It's your boy, your everyday detailer, and I'm back with another banger, man. So yeah, I'm putting the talking part at the end of this video, man. I just want to say I appreciate y'all, man. For everybody who stayed to the end of this video, comment stayed to the end, man. Comment everyday detail game, man. Just comment, man. I've been feeling kind of low lately, and I just need you guys to, you know, sub for me, share the page, and just help me grow, man. I'm chasing these dreams and I don't want to give up, and I'm fighting every day, man. Feel like I'm fighting for my life. But man, without further ado, it's the end of the video. I love y'all. Hope that all y'all have the best life and a blessed day, man. Thank y'all for watching this video. Sincerely, your everyday detailer. She gone.